Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a hooded infinity scarf with one of the softest and warmest yarns. You can find a free written pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this scarf I've used Go for Faux and crochet hook size 15mm. We will start by chaining 9. In row 1 we will work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook and each chain across. With this yarn it's important to feel the stitches rather than seeing it, so use your fingers to find out where you need to insert your hook in the next stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. In row 2 we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Repeat this until row 44 or until your scarf is long enough. In row 45 we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And at the end we will chain 15. In row 46 we will work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in the next 13 chains. Then continue working 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. At the end we chain 1 and turn our work. All we have to do now is work 1 single crochet in each stitch across until row 70. This means we will work a total of 24 rows with single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work at the end of each row. When you're done, whip stitch the ends of the scarf together and continue with the hoodie. Fold the rectangle in half and whip stitch the sides of the hood together. Then weave in your ends and that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!